how to disable the Windows key when gaming. So this can be useful if you're using the hotkeys on your keyboard. You may want to disable the Windows key to stop it accidentally being pressed. Now you can also use this to disable other keys on your keyboard as well. So all you need to do is open up your Start menu, search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window. Now click on the search box at the top of the page, go and search for Power Toys and press search. Now click on Microsoft Power Toys and go and press install. You'll then need to wait a few seconds while this installs onto your computer. Once it's finished installing, you can open up the app, click on the navigation bar on the top left hand side, click on the drop down arrow next to input and output and click on the keyboard manager. Now turn on the keyboard manager like this and then scroll down and click on remap a key. You can then press add key remapping, click on select and then press the Windows key on your keyboard. You can then press OK, click on the drop down arrow next to this option, and then you need to scroll all the way up to the top and press disable. Once you've done this, press OK and click on continue anyway. Now when you press the Windows key on your keyboard, it would now be disabled. Now if you want to remove this in the future, you can always come back over to remap a key, and then you can just go and delete the remapping key that we set up, and you should now be able to use the Windows key once again.